uGodongwana uthi kuchithwe isikhathi esiningi nezigidi zamarandi kulungiswa inkinga enkampanini ehlinzeka ngogesi i-Eskom kunokuthi kubhekwane ngqo nezinkinga zikagesi.
We spend more time fixing the institution than fixing power to the grid. I'm sure we draw a distinction between those two, are not necessarily the same. And therefore, spent 16 years fixing the institution, Eskom. Doing a lot of bailouts. How much have we spent on bailing out institutions? 520 billion rand.
Uthi kuye kwafanele ukuba kuncishiswe izindleko kwezinye izindawo.
Where did that money come from? Because we didn't raise taxes to that magnitude. We must have cut expenditure in different areas.
uGodongwana uthi umbiko uveze ukuthi inkinga akusiyo imali yokubonelelwa kwezakhamuzi kodwa isekusetshenzisweni kwayo.
They say the problem is not the money that I'm giving people, is how efficiently it is being used.
uGodongwana uthi lo mbiko webhange lomhlaba uzolilekelela lelizwe njengoba uthi uhulumeni wakuleli udinga ukubambisana ukuze kubhekwane nokuthuthukiswa komnotho.